Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into the easiest way to verify your Skooli Tutor account and start teaching with confidence right away. Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Skooli Tutor account is a straightforward yet crucial process to gain access to the platform's tutoring opportunities. First, start by visiting the official Skooli website and log into your tutor dashboard with your registered email and password. Once logged in, look for the account verification section, typically found in your profile. Settings. Step 1. After locating the verification section, you will need to submit documents that prove your identity and qualifications. Commonly accepted documents include a government-issued ID, such as a passport, or driver's license, and evidence of your teaching credentials, such as a degree certificate or teaching license. Step 2. Ensure that all documents are clear and legible, as unclear images may delay the verification process. Upload the required documents using the Upload button provided on the page. Step 3. After submission, you might be asked to complete additional verification steps, such as a background check or a short video introduction to confirm your identity and professionalism. Step 4. The background check is usually handled by a third-party service, and it may take a few days to complete, so ensure you provide accurate information to avoid delays. Once Skooli completes their review, you will receive a confirmation email that your account has been verified, and you are ready to start tutoring. Step 5. Remember to keep your contact information up to date within your profile. To prevent any communication issues with your verified account, you can explore all the teaching opportunities Skooli offers, including scheduling sessions, messaging students, and receiving payments, all within the platform. Following these simple steps ensures a smooth verification process, so you can focus on what matters most: connecting with students and enhancing their learning experience.